What is OpenAI Playground and how to use it? OpenAI Playground at https://platform.openai.com/playground is a web-based tool that allows users to experiment with OpenAI's artificial intelligence models, including GPT-3 and DALL-E. It is a great way to learn more about these models and how they can be used. To use OpenAI Playground, simply go to the website and create an account. Once you have logged in, you will be able to access the different models. To use a model, simply type in a prompt and click Generate. The model will then generate a response based on your prompt. For example, you could type in the prompt "write a poem about a cat" and OpenAI Playground would generate a poem about a cat. Or, you could type in the prompt "create an image of a dog sitting on a chair" and OpenAI Playground would generate an image of a dog sitting on a chair. OpenAI Playground is a great tool for anyone who is interested in artificial intelligence. It is a fun and easy way to learn more about these models and how they can be used. Here are some additional tips for using OpenAI Playground. * Use descriptive prompts. The more descriptive your prompt, the better the response will be. * Be patient. It may take a few seconds for the model to generate a response. * Have fun. OpenAI Playground is a great way to experiment with artificial intelligence and learn more about how it works.